Linnaeus suggested Felis catus as the scientific name for cats in 1758. Cats were domesticated for the first time around 7500 BC in Western Asia. Cats can see clearly at a distance, but close-up things can be fuzzy. It's best to hold toys farther back when playing with your cat so they can see the prey. In contrast to dogs and horses, cats move their front and rear legs first on one side of their body before moving their front and back legs on the other. Only giraffes and camels can travel in this manner. Cats have more than 20 different vocalizations, each with a particular meaning. The body of a cat comprises more than 200 bones and more than 500 muscles. There are roughly 23 bones in their tail alone. Kittens can reach reproductive maturity and get pregnant at barely 4 months of age. Cats use their whiskers and sensory hairs on the sides of their legs and heads to navigate in the dark. Like other animals, cats have working, short-term, and long-term memories, and they can recall specific individuals. Cats emit a potent aroma from small glands in their paws, which can be helpful when encountering an unusual cat. Around the world, there were 480 million strays and 220 million kept cats. There are 73 defined breeds of cats recognized by the International Cat Association (TICA).